Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you the best system from the best email marketing services category. Having tested more than 10 services, I chose the best one for myself. I love that it is easy to use and its tag-based system makes email automation easy. Let me tell you 5 secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the best email marketing services category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Now we are starting.
Hello. Today I'll share with you my experience of the best email marketing service. After analyzing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that suited me perfectly. I have been making over $25,000 a month using this service and have been using it for 5 years now. It is one of the most economical ways to host and interact with an email database. It is competitively priced in its market. In this short video, I'll show you 3 useful features that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the category of email marketing services. It's about GetResponse. I'll leave the link to the official website under the video. Let's not waste time and get started. GetResponse is one of the most economical ways to host and interact with your email database. It is competitively priced in its market. It is also one of the most exciting products of its kind as it brings email marketing, automation, landing pages, e-commerce, sales funnels, and webinars under one roof. Given that webinars are commonly used as a lead generation tactic or even as a revenue generating function, the idea of hosting your email database and webinar tool under one roof is very attractive. In terms of participant caps, the GetResponse Plus plan allows you to host webinars for up to 100 participants, restriction on the professional tariff 300, and for the corporate plan 500. You can also purchase webinar functionality as an add-on to the basic plan. $40 per month gives you a limit of 100 participants, $99 per month gives you a limit of 500. However, GetResponse is rather vague that if you live in North America, these add-ons may not be available. Another new feature recently introduced by GetResponse is conversion funnels, which represent a major departure from the product. This is because, to some extent, GetResponse is evolving from an email marketing platform to something that can be used to run your entire e-commerce business. The idea behind this function is that you can do the following without even leaving the GetResponse environment: create a product catalog, create and run Facebook ad campaigns, create landing pages, add subscribers to autoresponder loop, drive users to sales pages, accept payment for goods, send an abandoned cart email if needed. In other words, and as the name of the function suggests, GetResponse is committed to providing you with an easy means to create sales funnels without a need for any other application. A wide range of templates will help you with this. You can access this feature on all plans, but you should note that the version available on the basic plan only allows you to create one funnel and doesn't allow the abandoned cart recovery feature. If you want, you can use third-party platforms with this feature. Shopify, BigCommerce, and Etsy can be integrated. Currently, this feature is probably best suited for sole proprietors or small businesses that need one-stop solution to build all the assets needed to build a sales funnel right down to converting subscribers to customers. However, sellers with large product catalogs and extensive e-commerce requirements are likely to be better off using a specialized e-commerce platform like BigCommerce or Shopify for the actual portion of the sales. If you would like to integrate GetResponse with another platform or tool, there are over 140 integrations to help you do just that. There are also some useful Google integrations that allow you to import your Gmail contact list, add Google Analytics tags to email newsletters, and link your landing pages to Google Ads so you can better measure the performance of your PPC campaigns. Quite a few of these integrations are official GetResponse integrations that work out of the box, but you should know that many of them involve using third-party tools like Zapier to get connected. Another way to integrate GetResponse with another system, assuming you have development skills, is to use its API. This allows you to send and receive data to and from GetResponse in any way convenient for your application. Of the plans discussed, the Plus probably represents the middle ground. This is because it opens up most of the GetResponse features set while remaining competitively priced. 2 key features included in this plan, automation and webinars, make the transition from basic especially useful. GetResponse has 2 ways to use forms. You can either add an HTML form that you create yourself, or you can create your own form in GetResponse. If you choose the second option, you can add the form to your site using the JavaScript snippet to display your form. This form can be presented in various formats. You can use both HTML forms and JavaScript forms to enter data into standard GetResponse fields, or, if you prefer, to fill in custom details. These JavaScript forms are pretty good. You can create both desktop and mobile versions, and you can use a reasonable set of web fonts when styling them. You can also enable the CAPTCHA feature to block spam bots, which helps prevent fake registrations. It's important to know, however, that GetResponse doesn't offer any controls to enable or disable pop-up forms on specific devices or specific pages on your site. Given Google's approach to pop-ups on smartphones, this is a bit of a concern. Of course, if you integrate GetResponse with a CMS and use a form package, you might not find this a problem. WordPress users can, for example, connect a tool like Gravity Forms to GetResponse through its API. One of the things I love the most about GetResponse is how you can send emails to multiple subscriber segments at once. Not only can you exclude multiple segments at once, but you can also do the same with separate lists. For example, if you have 3 separate mailing lists on GetResponse, you can send messages to individuals on all 3 of them. Email deliverability rate, the percentage of sent email newsletters to successfully reach your subscribers' inboxes, is obviously an important thing to look out for when choosing an email marketing tool. Not all email marketing providers are so transparent about their deliverability. Plus, GetResponse actually gives a deliverability rate for every message in your email, something I haven't seen in any competing product. Finally, custom DKIM, an authentication method designed to enhance the security of email senders and recipients, is also available on all GetResponse plans. This can further improve deliverability. In light of the new GDPR rules, email marketing has gotten a little more difficult because there are stricter rules on what constitutes consent to receive electronic newsletters. GetResponse deserves credit for providing users with clear information about their GDPR responsibilities, as well as dedicated GDPR fields that make it easier to register content and comply with regulations. Given that data security is a key aspect of GDPR, it would be good if this feature was introduced as soon as possible. Until recently, GetResponse's customer support was one of the most comprehensive email marketing tools available, offering phone support as well as live chat support, email support, and various online tutorials. Sorry, phone support has ended. Instead, you'll have to use live chat or email support. In all fairness, most similar email marketing platform providers only offer these 2 channels. GetResponse's email support is available in 8 languages, which is commendable. These are English, Polish, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian, and Portuguese. Like many competing email marketing products, you can try GetResponse for free before purchasing. The free trial is fully functional, lasts 30 days, and allows you a list of up to 1,000 subscribers. However, you can only host a webinar with 10 trial participants.